to call Mukul Roy an opportunist now and to have welcomed all these people, even the Prime Minister saying we'll have an exodus of at least 40 of your top leaders and all that, this sounds like grapes are sour. So let's get rid of this. I'm not going to get into the morality of it. About Mukul Roy being a mass leader, Kabhi Chunav Nahi Jeeta, let's face that. Mukul Roy is like what Pramod Dasgupta was to the CPIM. You know, the ultimate organizer. They are not people who are going to stand for elections. They are not going to be, interested in ministerial seats, but they are the party boss. And in Bengal for a very long time, courtesy the culture that's set by the left, such party bosses had an aura, had a much bigger sort of importance in the overall scheme of things than a minister here and there. So Mukul Roy is a strategist, is an election man, he's an organization man, and the reason he's going to be very useful to Mamata Banerjee now is Prashant Kishore might have won you the election by his political strategizing, but Prashant Kishore is not there to stay. He is today with Sharad Pawar, he is going here, he is going there. So you need a solid organization guy to put your organization in order, which has been hit by mass defections at some point of time and by a number of other factors. Now, though the party has won the election, there is no way you can underestimate the importance of the BJP, that they have got 70 odd seats there, 77 to be precise. It's no throwaway. Regardless of the problem that may now be caused by Ghar Wapsi, this and that, I don't really overestimate this, because the real factor here that people have not talked about is the expansion of the RSS in the rural Bengal region. Please try to figure out what they are doing. BJP by itself is nothing without this kind of organizational network that the RSS creates. And for the first time, in the last 3 years I have seen, and I cover things at close quarter, I don't love sitting in TV studios and pontificate. At close quarters I have seen this was never the case in Bengal. The RSS, not even in the heydays of Shyama Prasad Mukherjee, they had anything like this, that they have spread into the rural Bengal, and winning 70 odd seats is not a joke, up from 3. So there is no way that Trinamool can underestimate this kind of a challenge, a long-term challenge. So the Trinamool needs somebody like Mukul Roy to come back, because you call the man an opportunist, you call him corrupt, you call him whatever you feel like. Meet Zafar, well, they were calling Subhendu Adhikari Meet Jafar. So I don't get into this tutu meme, okay? It's not my job. Yeah, I'm not a politician. But the fact is that Mukul Roy is a fantastic organization man. He remembers booth committee, presidents at the drop of a hat. He will call anybody. He won't even have to look at the numbers. So, he is an organization man in the long tradition of Bengali party secretaries or party bosses who have run organization without any love for ministerial offices. And the fact is कि वो कभी चुनाव नहीं जीता, प्रणब मुखर्जी चुनाव नहीं जीता बहुत बार. So what? He was important in Delhi. So let's not get into these things. Mukul Roy is going to be useful for the BJP, for the Trinamool, having come out of the BJP, and he was the national vice president of BJP. You don't make somebody, it does not reflect on the BJP very well if they say that we have taken this man and we have made him national vice president. Yeah. Tomorrow, if Himanta is not in your party in Assam, having been the chief minister, will you call him कोई काम का नहीं है, he is useless, उसका जाने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Mukul Roy and Himanta are in the same position. They got, cases got thrown at them and they left Congress. Himanta left Congress, Mukul left Trinamool Congress. So, let's not underestimate the importance of these leaders. Mukul Roy is an organization man. He's a party organizer. Yeah. And that's where he excels. And therefore, with Prashant Kishore going away, he's not going to be here in Bengal. Mm-hmm. The Trinamool needs to get its party organization in order to face upcoming challenges. The BJP is not a throwaway. The RSS is spreading. And therefore, they need somebody like Mukul Roy. So the very tone of Mamata Banerjee, today, and of other senior party leaders proves that they are too happy to have him back.